Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll down a little bit and find wallpaper and style. And as you can see right here, we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen, and under it we've got some options which are connected to the wallpapers. Here we've got 3 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from, or actually 2. We've got my wallpapers, and here we've got some pre-installed ones, or we've got our own gallery, and of course we can enter and set our own photo as a wallpaper. What's more, here we've got the lock screen wallpaper services, and if you'd like to explore more wallpapers, simply tap on this button. Make sure that you've got the internet connection, and then you will be able to find more. What's more, here we've got some cool option which is color palette, and after tapping on it we can pick the colors which will be based on the wallpaper we've got currently set. So they will affect the menu, the styles and the colors. So that's quite a cool option. What's more, we've got the option apply dark mode to the wallpaper, and if you will have the dark mode applied, then it will also affect the wallpaper, so it will make it a little bit darker. So let's focus on changing the wallpaper actually. So let me pick something from my wallpapers, and as you can see, here we've got some options which are pre-installed. Here we've got only the wallpapers which are only for the lock screen or for home screen and lock screen, and those are static, not video ones. So of course we can separately set something for the lock screen and home screen, and I think we will do that. So let's begin with the lock screen. Let me pick this one, and as you can see, after tapping on it you will be able to see the preview of the wallpaper which will be set on the lock screen. So let me tap on set on lock screen, and we can go back and skip. And now let's go to the home screen itself. So let's pick the same one, and as you can see, this time after tapping on it you will be able to decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both. And because we just set the lock screen, let's pick only the home screen. And as you can see, again we can see the preview of it, so simply tap on set on home screen. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied, and we've got the same situation. So we had been immediately and automatically transferred to the color palette. So of course you can change it, you can customize it just like you want to. You've got 3 different options which are based on the wallpaper. Here you've got the default one. It's of course up to you which option you'd like to use. So you can just tap on apply, and as you can see, the same situation, the wallpaper and the color palette has been applied successfully. So we can go back and check. And as you can see, this is the home screen. Let's check the lock screen also. And the same situation, it is visible right here, but of course here we've got the video one. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.